Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from your Umidigi F2 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to get application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store and we can get this application. There's the CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it, so I can recommend you this application. So let's install this app. On this Android phone you have to do the same. I did it and right now I can open it. And the Umidigi is also ready. Click allow. I'll read the stuff and tap agree. And click sender on your Umidigi. Click allow all the time. Allow one more time. And click receiver right here. Tap search again. Click on this Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code and we can also input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. So grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code, accept the request right here, and we can transfer all of the data. So we have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But if you want to get some details, click right here and I'm going to show you example. I'm going to send this one song. So click start, okay, and as you can see it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya.